Have you ever wondered, what are LCAs and EPDs? Welcome to LCAs and EPDs Explained with the Structural Insulated Panel Association. LCAs and EPDs are sustainability tools that quantify and summarize environmental impacts of products, services, and systems. LCA stands for Life Cycle Assessment. EPD stands for Environmental Product Declaration. So which came first, the EPD or the LCA? The LCA came first. A life cycle assessment looks at these impact areas: energy, air, water, land, health, and ecology. A life cycle assessment is a complicated examination of the ecological impacts of a product across its entire lifespan. There are various scopes that we look at: cradle-to-gate, cradle-to-grave, and cradle-to-cradle. These can be condensed into what we call EPDs, or short form LCAs. Here's another way of looking at it. A cradle-to-gate LCA and corresponding EPD measures all of the environmental impacts, including raw material extraction, the transportation, to the actual manufacturing facility, everything involved with manufacturing the product up until the time it's ready to be shipped to its final destination. A cradle-to-grave LCA includes all of those impacts and also everything it takes to get that product to the construction site, everything involved in the construction of the building, the use phase, and right up until the end of the use phase. The last scope is called cradle-to-cradle, which measures the environmental impacts from the extraction of raw materials to recycling and reuse. In addition to providing a short-form LCA, EPDs provide an apples-to-apples comparison of similar products. Product category rules, or PCRs, give us categories for similar products, services, or systems along defined parameters. EPDs adhere to ISO standards, are third-party certified for LCA processes, provide a concise description of the functional unit, and list the life cycle stages included in the analysis. Here are a list of third-party operators that oversee, validate, and integrate data into the EPDs. Lastly, there are different providers of EPDs. For example, companies often provide EPDs for their products. Now, these EPDs also have to adhere to the strict standards that we described earlier. And industry trade associations like the Structural Insulated Panel Association provide industry average EPDs for their members and for the public at large. For more information about the Structural Insulated Panel Association, or to download the Structural Insulated Panel Environmental Product Declaration, please visit sips.org.